The Mudgar is a traditional strength tool that has been used for centuries to develop functional strength and coordination. Single hand rotational movements primarily engage the shoulders, upper back, and grip. These movements help develop coordination between the joints and the muscles. Changing the direction of rotation activates the muscles differently. This helps address imbalances and improves overall joint function. Using both hands together increases involvement of the chest, back, and core. The body works as a single connected unit during this phase. Reserved rotations challenge balance and neuromuscular coordination. This variation adds depth to the overall movement pattern. Mudgar practice is associated not only with strength development but also with stability and body awareness.